In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Xbox gamertag on your phone. So it's pretty simple to do, and you want to go to a web browser on your phone. In this case, I have Google Chrome open, and then you just want to go to xbox.com, and I'll link that in the description of this video. So you can just go ahead and tap on that. And then once you're on xbox.com and you are logged in, you want to go ahead and tap on your avatar icon at the top right. Then you want to tap on Xbox profile, and it'll bring up your profile, and then you want to tap on the customize button. Now you can see your current gamertag and then a pencil icon next to your gamertag. You want to go ahead and tap on the pencil icon to change your gamertag. Now from this screen you can go ahead and change your gamertag, but keep in mind that you can only change your gamertag once for free. So if you're absolutely certain about your new gamertag and it's the first time you're changing it, you will be able to change it for free. But that is only applicable to the first time gamertag change. So I can go ahead and select a new gamertag. So I've entered in my new gamertag, and then I just tap on check availability, and it appears that that gamertag is available. So you can see in that kind of grayed out text, it says, since this is your first gamertag change with the new system, we are giving you a freebie, but after that you may have to pay for it. So if you're absolutely certain about this new gamertag and it's the first time you're changing it, it will be free. Then you just tap on the green change gamertag button, and then it'll say, are you sure? And then you tap on the gray change gamertag, and your gamertag has been successfully changed. So that is how you change your Xbox gamertag on your phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.